Looking damn good. Looking damn good. Okay, anyway. This is what's up today. We're gonna make some Ahi Tuna. Eggs and grits. You guys wanna start off making some eggs and grits? We're not gonna be a self-respecting Southerner though, because all we have is instant grits. Here, I'll do this. Watch this. Let me show you how to make some fancy grits. That's quite a bit of grits. I am gonna microwave them, but we're gonna get fancy on it because we're gonna use chicken stock. Just swirl it around. Chef Mike! Red Lobster. Okay, so here, this is just a little bonus. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to crack an egg. Because some of you guys don't know. Some of you guys don't know how to crack an egg. Let me show you. How to make an over medium egg. Now we check for consistency. A little too thick on the grits. Chef Mike made them a little too thick. Some people like their grits nice and runny. I don't. Yeah, watch this. It's real easy. Alright, so then we're gonna let that cook a little bit on the top. Let me tell you something about these eggs as is. This would be considered sunny side up, right here. You just serve them like that. That's sunny side up. But when you do this, this is what's called over medium. Like that. Okay, turn off the heat, let them go. And that is an over medium egg. Just like that. Then you dump them in. Mr. Tipton, what'd you have for breakfast this eggs and grits? Nah, no butter.
Trying to watch our calories, you know?
A little salt and pepper. Bro, that's too much! Oh my god! Perfect. Hey, just throw them away because it's shit. That's traditional eggs and grits. That was for a bonus. Here's what's going to be going on today. We're going to make pan-seared ahi tuna with a soy vinaigrette and jasmine rice. It's going to be fucking good. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to prepare the rice. Dude, imagine buying bagged rice and not like going to pick it yourself. Like every individual grain. Dumbass, you know. So again, when it comes to rice, all forms of rice, I'm going to be using an instant rice pot. It's good. It's probably even then a little too much. You want to make sure to wash it first. But then of course, you don't use water. Use some chicken stock. This is what it's gonna look like in a rice cooker or whatever. It doesn't take much. Start that shit. Now check this out. I have a cutting board where it's meant for your phone, and then you can like you just stick your phone in there, and then you can read the recipe like that. Pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and cut the scallions. There's a little piece of my scallion went in my eggs and grits. More flavor. So we're gonna set those aside. But then, okay, now we're gonna do that illegal practice that I was talking about. Where we take a wet towel. Or wait, no, I don't have to do that. What we will do, this. And put this under cutting board. That way it doesn't slide. Really annoying when it does. Oh yeah, there we go. Fuck yes, dude. If you guys don't know how to deal with ginger, I'm gonna show you how. You take a spoon, you just kind of skin it like this, the way I was taught. Anyway, I was taught by a very old man who's very stuck in his ways, so probably not the most optimal way of doing it. It's whatever. First off, we're gonna cut off how much we're gonna be using here. Then watch this. You guys probably can't see this, but I'll show you what I got. This thing right here for saran wrap. This goddamn kitchen. So here's the thing with ginger. With this, anyway, is that it's incredibly strong. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this thing right here. This is called a zester. And this finely grates things, but it's gonna look like this. Grates it down. It's like almost like a paste. Doesn't take much, that's for sure. Not at all. Not for ginger. Then next, check this out. We're gonna do that same thing except with lime. This is called lime zest. And how much do we need? 2 teaspoons. Yeah, this is because I'm gonna use this for the tuna and the rice. We're gonna have to save the lime too because we need the juice. Fuck, I almost spilled all of it. You didn't see that. But see, here we have, check out these. This is essentially like the equivalent. You know how you have garlic, shallot, rosemary, stuff like that. The titans of the French cuisine, right? These are the titans of Asian cuisine. Ginger, scallion, lime zest, and sesame oil. So then, we're gonna do some shit. Now, tuna does not take very long to cook at all. It's supposed to be served extremely rare. You're not gonna serve a well done piece of shit. So this is what it's gonna look like. This is a fresh piece of ahi tuna. Fucking beautiful. Oh! That, took off a little piece like that. Fucking good! So, medium-high heat, alright? And then we're gonna make our sauce on the side here. We're gonna take a little tiny saucepan, low heat, a little bit of stock, zest, like that. Then, one last thing. Honey! Where the fuck is it? Hello? Oh. Look at this. This shit is fucking thick, dude. Oh, man. Woo! This is ready to go. A little bit of oil. Season our fish with some salt and pepper. Then, ready? Go. A little bit more. So you got to taste as you go. Rice is done. I'm actually going to cut the heat off entirely because I don't want it to. I don't want that to cook anymore. This needs a little more honey, just for sweetness. Get it hot! Okay,
Then.
complete our sauce. Put in a little bit of the ginger. A little bit. Then some soy. Should be looking kind of like that. That kind of consist. Oh, you can smell it. Oh man. Okay, let's cut our tuna. Set to low. It's over. It's a bit over. Yeah, I kind of thought. Well, I mean, it's like you look at that right there. It's over. It tastes great, but it's over. For the plating process, take our rice. What I like to do is take a measuring cup, kind of pack the rice in there like that. It needs to be a bit more packed, or else it's gonna fall apart like that. But you get the idea. And this is fine too. No, it'll do that, but that's the technique that you do. Here is the plating process. Going to okay. I mean, that's not as over as I thought it'd be. Then take our sauce, drizzle it, top like that. Scallion. Nice and simple. No, this doesn't take hours of cleanup. There's not really that much of a mess here at all. This would take like 5 minutes. What is suitable for the side dish? Napa cabbage, honestly. Yeah. The only thing is that it's just the tuna's over. That's it. Other than that, it's fucking perfect. The flavor is on point. The rice and sauce and everything. Oh man. Look, that's my definition of overcooked. That right there. That's my definition of overcooked. Now for tuna, yes, it is overcooked. For some people, they like it a little more on the done side for some reason. It's so like citrusy and refreshing. You get a lot of it. You get a lot of everything. You get the lime zest. You get the ginger. And those things go together really, really well. The honey kind of brings in that sweetness a little bit. And then the texture of the rice going along with it. And then the tuna. It's such a refreshing dish. It's not heavy whatsoever. Beautiful. Good. This is... It's fucking healthy too. It's healthy. We make some goddamn good fucking food on this channel. Everything about this is perfect except for the tuna. Overcooked it. I know I did. And I'll tell you where I overcooked it was whenever I let it sit on the pan. Like after I flipped it, should have had it sit on there for like maybe 30 seconds, and I left it in there. That's how it overcooked, because the carryover. The funny thing is though, you guys thought that I would never do these cooking streams, but I'm doing them. I'm fucking good at it. I'm not messing around. I'm making some good shit.